Although every classroom is different, all students love a good challenge with a creative reward, and it is these kinds of opportunities that motivate students to work harder and put in extra effort. In VocabClass, we provide the custom rewards features so teachers can present fun, classroom-specific rewards to their students in exchange for a certain amount of game coins. Remember, students earn 1 game coin for every word list activity completed, so think about an equitable exchange when you set up your custom rewards. Once you create a custom reward, you can message the class, and students can find the details for each new reward on their teacher rewards page.